Streetlights are no longer just lamps. They're becoming smart city assets. Leading this shift is Zhaga-D4i, the global standard making outdoor lighting smarter, greener, and future-proof. Zhaga-D4i standardizes the shape, socket, and language of luminaires and controllers. That means true plug-and-play from wireless nodes to photocell and motion sensors. Book 18 powers outdoor devices like network controllers and sensors. Book 20 supports indoor smart controls. Together, they ensure seamless global compatibility. Pair it with DALI controllers, and the system speaks a common language, sharing energy data, diagnostics, and asset info. Engineers can detect faults or dim lights remotely, cutting downtime and costs. And with the Z10 socket, upgrades are tool-free. Add sensors, swap modules, or connect 5G and solar, all with simple plug-and-play. Cities worldwide are already using Zhaga-D4i and Z10. From adaptive streetlights to multifunctional smart poles, the results are safer, connected, and future-ready streets. Zhaga-D4i, DALI, and the Z10 socket together, they turn every streetlight into a smart city hub. Reliable, scalable, future-proof.